Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your personal details in the MyFitnessPal Calorie Counter application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button. And within this section, click on the Profile button. And as you can see, these are the details that you can set. So your username, you can upload a profile photo, you can edit your height if you written it in the beginning. You can set your location, your postal code, the time zone, and you can also provide and set the unit preferences here. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.